Did you know that you can print the recipe from our website? There you can also scale the recipe to the number of servings, or how hot you like it. The link to this recipe's web page is in the description below. For your convenience, captions are also available in Urdu. Depending on the device, click on the gear icon, or other menu to change the captions. This recipe is for 3 servings. If you have scaled the recipe, then please follow those quantities. Take a large bowl. Take 1 cup of gram flour. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Add half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add a teaspoon of crushed coriander seeds. Add a teaspoon of pomegranate seeds powder. Add half a teaspoon of caraway seeds. Add a teaspoon of dry fenugreek. Slowly add water to make a thick paste. Keep on stirring so that lumps are not formed while adding water. Make sure that the paste is neither too lean nor very thick. Add a few leaves of coriander. Add a finely chopped green chili. Add 2 finely chopped spring onions. Add 1 small potato cut into small pieces. Mix thoroughly. Sprinkle half a teaspoon of baking powder. Mix thoroughly. Add more water if the paste is too thick. On medium heat, using a large spoon, put about a tablespoon chunk of the mixture in the oil. Fry till they are nicely golden brown. Turn over in between to fry evenly. Once nicely golden brown, remove from the oil on a kitchen towel to soak the oil. Enjoy with tomato ketchup. We have a recipe for making tomato ketchup too.